If your bedroom still looks like you just moved in, even though you've lived there for 2 years, this is for you. Most rental bedrooms don't actually look bad. They look temporary. Flat lighting, thin bedding, builder-grade everything. After a while, you stop trying. You tell yourself it's not worth upgrading because it's not yours. But here's the truth. Luxury has nothing to do with ownership. It has everything to do with control. You don't need to knock down walls, paint, or risk your security deposit. You just need a few smart luxury hacks applied in the right order. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your rental bedroom feel intentional, layered, and expensive without doing anything permanent. The biggest mistake renters make is trying to decorate instead of upgrade the experience. They buy random decor pieces, a trendy lamp, a vase, another throw pillow, and somehow the room still feels cheap. That's because luxury is not decoration, it's structure. Hotels understand this perfectly. You never walk into a hotel room and think about the accessories. You think, this feels expensive. That feeling comes from layers and proportion. So we're going to use intentional luxury hacks to build that same structure in your space. Luxury hack number 1 is upgrading the bed first. If your bed looks thin, the entire room looks thin. This one change alone can transform the space overnight. Luxury bedrooms are built around fullness. The formula is simple. A crisp base layer, 1 plush duvet, 2 large Euro pillows, 2 standard pillows, and 1 simple accent pillow. That's it. Not 10 decorative pillows, not visual chaos. Fullness creates impact. If your comforter looks flat, size up. If your pillows collapse, replace the inserts with overfilled ones. And here's a quiet luxury hack most people overlook. Texture matters more than thread count. Soft cotton with a subtle matte finish looks richer than shiny, stiff fabric. A lightweight quilt layered at the bottom adds depth without clutter. Volume and texture do more than color ever will. Fix the bed and the entire room immediately levels up. Luxury hack number 2 is lighting. If you're relying on only the overhead light in your bedroom, that alone is flattening the space. Overhead lighting exposes flaws and removes warmth. It makes even nice furniture feel basic. Luxury bedrooms use layered light instead of a single harsh source. Add a table lamp, a floor lamp, or a soft accent light. Use warm bulbs around 2700 Kelvin. Warm light adds depth, depth adds calm, and calm feels expensive. If you want to elevate things further without installing anything permanent, plug-in wall sconces beside the bed are a powerful luxury hack. They create symmetry, and symmetry signals intention. Intention is what separates styled from thrown together. You don't need more light. You need smarter light placed at different heights. Luxury hack number 3 is about scale. Stop blaming the beige walls. Blank rental walls feel boring because they lack proportion, not because they lack color. Small art makes walls feel smaller. Oversized art makes walls feel designed. One large piece above the bed instantly grounds the space and creates a focal point. Another simple luxury hack is hanging your curtains higher and wider than the window frame. Install them closer to the ceiling and extend them beyond the window edges. This visually lifts the ceiling and makes the room feel taller and more custom. Taller almost always reads as more expensive. If you want subtle architectural impact without paint, removable molding strips are another smart luxury hack. They peel off cleanly but create depth and shadow that mimics built-in detail. You're not changing the wall itself. You're changing how the eye reads the wall. Luxury hack number 4 is subtraction. Luxury often looks effortless because it hides the cheap details. Plastic hampers, exposed cords, mismatched hangers, and cluttered nightstands quietly downgrade the entire space. A strong luxury hack is concealment. Swap plastic for woven or canvas materials. Use matching hangers in your closet so everything feels cohesive. Hide cords behind furniture or use adhesive cable covers to minimize visual clutter. Limit your nightstand to 3 items maximum: a lamp, a book, and a small tray. That restraint creates visual calm. It's not about adding more decor, it's about removing visual noise. Luxury hack number 5 is upgrading texture. Builder-grade bedrooms are often flat and slightly shiny. Luxury bedrooms are soft, layered, and dimensional. Add a textured throw at the end of the bed. Place a large area rug under the bed, even if you already have carpet. Introduce an upholstered bench or stool. These changes are not about adding stuff. They're about upgrading surfaces. Texture absorbs light and adds contrast. It photographs beautifully and feels intentional in real life. When everything in a room is smooth and uniform, it feels basic. When there's variation in texture, it feels curated. Now let's simplify this into a weekend reset plan. First, clear every surface. Second, upgrade the bed. Third, add 2 new light sources. Fourth, hang 1 oversized art piece. Fifth, introduce 1 strong texture element. Then stop. Luxury is restraint. You don't need to keep layering endlessly. You don't need to keep buying. You just need to apply the right luxury hacks in the right sequence. Here's the mindset shift that makes all of this powerful. You're not investing in a rental. You're investing in your standard. Every one of these luxury hacks moves with you. Nothing is permanent, and nothing risks your deposit. Renters who win don't pour money into fixed upgrades. They build a movable aesthetic. So when they leave, the luxury leaves with them. The next place doesn't start from zero. It starts elevated. If these luxury hacks helped you rethink your bedroom, tap like so I know to keep making renter transformations. And if you're building a space that feels calm, intentional, and elevated without overspending or over-renovating, subscribe. We're upgrading rentals properly here, one luxury hack at a time.